Last summer, Kraft Foods' Lehigh Valley plant, located in Allentown, Pennsylvania, worked closely with Lehigh University's Enterprise Systems Center to reduce energy costs and execute improvements in renewable energy usage. 3 students, Josh Goldman, David Gritz, and Chris Spagna, worked with Kraft associates, mentors from Lehigh University's Enterprise Systems Center, and professional consultants in a layered mentoring approach to develop the project. The project focused on documenting energy production capabilities, efficiency factors, and the cost effectiveness of existing wind turbines, providing analysis of renewable energy opportunities using current biogas production, providing analysis of renewable energy opportunities using solar energy technologies, and identifying other potential plant-specific energy savings opportunities.
We built a tool that allowed any user in any Kraft location across the country to develop a wind energy scenario and have complete control of what that scenario would look like.
Decided to take it a step further and look at the entire facility and what could be done with the land on this facility for producing energy if the decision is made to go further to make a large-scale solar installation. And it has colored sections of all the different areas of land and roof space and parking lot space in the plan. Just ones in particular that looked good, that had no major obstructions that would block the sun from shining on those areas, and areas that were mostly unused, and areas that would be suitable for installing solar power.
And one of the things that we mentioned earlier is we didn't have a lot of resources that would be able to do a lot of hand-holding, and apparently you guys were able to make your way through the facility, find the information that you needed to be able to complete the project.
The caliber of the end result certainly speaks for something working right.
As you get older, you want less and less of restrictions, and the ability to find my place and to figure things out for myself was an experience and an opportunity that I found very valuable.
That's part of what we're most anxious to do when we get out of college, is to finally stop doing exactly what the professor tells us and think for ourselves, see if we can be creative.
Yeah, I think you kind of set us up really well by kind of starting us off with kind of here's how the plant works, and then telling us kind of who is responsible for each part of the operation, so we know who to go to and who we can get the best feedback and the most insightful information from.
In this situation, we were more so looking at you guys almost as a contractor. And it's like, here is the scope of our project, Lehigh University delivered. And by having professionals involved, we didn't have to go over the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, because that's what you guys were doing, and that worked out fine for that purpose.
It was just nice knowing that if we had a question, these 3 guys had somebody they could fall back on that was relatively close and understood where we were coming from. So it was a huge advantage.
But having that in hand, I'll be able to start distributing this and let you know how things go. I've gotten quite a few phone calls, emails over the past couple of months, ever since we put the windmills in, people wanting information, and this addresses that, and I think it'll be a good tool for our sustainability group.
To me, this is really the heart of this whole project, is that there is huge instability in the alternative energy field, and anybody who wants to go in that direction, the more you know about it, the sooner you know about it, the better you can make, the faster you can make better decisions on your direction.
Well, it certainly allows you to expand the scope, and when something arises, you can't say out of scope because you don't have the time to resource it or to manage it. You've got somebody there to manage it. Right. And so, and I think we found that in a couple of the things we went into was we expanded scope as we're going, but we had the ability to absorb and contract with that, with your ability to help and stay with the students.